everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you what you need to fix a computer, whether it be software wise or hardware wise. So if I zoom out here, I'll turn the camera down a little bit. What you are looking at right now is my setup. Up here, up at the top is the monitor. Now, you don't need a fancy monitor. You need one that could do the job. You can buy adapters later if you have to. What I have is an Element TV that has all the inputs. Off to the right, I have a wireless router and a networking switch. You need a networking switch so you can fix multiple computers. Now, you can't see it up front, but I do have two KVM switches. One is for testing station number 1, which is the one that has a really nice case, and testing station number 2 that has the beat up case. Those are two, and then I have another one that has 4 VGA connections for various purposes. My non-network computer is going to be plugged into that. If you look up to your right, left, I have a thumb login thing that actually works. You want to test biometric login just in case somebody has a problem. I have a keyboard and a mouse plugged into the KVM switch. Obviously, so I could switch between the computers. And, I'm not sure if you could see it or not, right there is a USB strip that acts as, it's basically a USB power strip. So I can plug multiple things in, turn things on, turn things off, just to see. I have a printer, which unfortunately you can't get this model anymore. I got that dirt cheap. I have IEC cords right here. I have a Mac that is part of the testing when I make videos, even though I haven't made Mac videos in a really, really long time. Over here, you're going to want a toolbox full of tools. Now, there are some cheapo tools you can use to undo screws. You can actually go to the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and pick up a screwdriver set that has the regular flat end and a Phillips end. That'll work. But I do over time, the more you want to get into it, I do recommend getting nicer tools. I have, this is all extra parts, both for the testing station computers and the testing station itself. Also, I have parts that I keep around, just like charging cables and stuff like that. Up at the top, that is, I do recommend buying this. It is a HDMI to Ethernet adapter just in case you need to test a port, or if somebody has a problem and they have it set up, you could also use that to test. I do recommend adapters such as HDMI and others, just like that. So, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.